Hi and welcome. It's Jules Muller, founder and CEO of Chicks Connect. And this week we're talking about organizing my finances. And I had so many different ideas that there are kind of three different elements to this activity. So look through it, discuss what makes the most sense in your. And if there are still things that you're interested in that I didn't discuss, go ahead and message me and I'll include some other tips and tricks in an additional document. Okay, so September week 3, organizing my finances. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being high, how would you rate yourself when it comes to organizing your finances? Write your number there. If you are a 10, wowza, way to go, we are celebrating you. If you indicated anything less than a 10, what would you like that number to be? Write that on that line. To increase your rating, follow some of the suggestions below as well as some of the suggestions made by your sister chicks. So go ahead and have a discussion in your chapter around this topic. Identify what money comes in and have a system in place for dispersing that money. In the book Secrets of the Millionaire Mind by T. Harv Eker, he suggests 6 different money jars. You may have a different system that you use. If so, describe it below and share the system with your chapter. The 6-jar system by T. Harv Eker of Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. The first jar is for your necessities. 50% of your incoming money can go into this jar or category or banking account, however you want to organize it. And this will be to pay your bills. The next category is called financial freedom. This is 10% of the money that comes in, and you put that toward investments. And you don't touch that. That's 10% that you leave there each month, and it just grows and grows and grows. The third jar is called long-term savings. 10% goes into that jar. And that's a savings account so that maybe you want to have a down payment for a home or a car, or you want to go on a cruise. That's a long-term savings account that you end up spending. So it's not like your financial freedom account, which is your investment account. The next one is education. So it's very important to invest in your own personal and professional growth, and you're doing so by being part of this organization. So 10% of your income can go toward your education, books and video training series and experiences, events, things like that. The next category is play and fun. So 10% can go toward that, and you can spend that each month or you can save that up. But it is suggested that you do spend 10% self-care, fun, doing things just for you, special dinner, things like that. And then 10% to give, charity, GoFundMe accounts, your churches, things like that. So what system do you use for incoming money? Do you disperse the money into various categories? If so, share below and then share with your chapter. Now, identify what money goes out and have a system in place for paying bills. Ideas may include online bill pay, Excel spreadsheet with categories, listing the vendor, the amount you pay, how often you pay it, the balance, the due date, etc. Schedule certain days per month for paying bills. Maybe you still do checkbook and envelopes and pay through the mail. That's fine too. Just schedule that in an organized fashion. Or maybe you have some other ideas on how you organize your outgoing finances, so paying bills. Now, the second activity came to me because I work with a lot of clients, as you'll see in the notes below. And so I thought this activity might be kind of fun. What you need, each one of you needs to have a phone, or you can share your phone with your partner if they didn't bring theirs into the meeting, and hopefully you have an internet connection. So choose a partner, read all the instructions before beginning, and no hints to your partner, so you cannot cheat in this activity. Take out your phones, determine who is A and who is B. B, hold up your phone. A, tell B your website address. So you could do this, it's not a hint. Get them to your web page. As soon as B locates that website, and when it is open, B says the word go. Okay, when B says go, A starts counting in seconds. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, and so on. And don't stop until B says stop. So A, you're just counting, and B is going to be looking at your phone on your looking at their phone on your website. B is trying to locate and click on an order form to any product or service that your business provides. So they are going to be looking all over your website for the Buy Now button. B, say stop when you get to the order form. So not the catalog, but you actually have to click on an item and get to the order form. So when B says stop, they found the order form. A, you can stop counting and record the number here. This is how many seconds it took to get to a purchase page on your website. Now switch and do it, have your partner go, and then B can post the results in seconds here. Is it easy or challenging for someone to find your order page and give you money? Could you make it even easier? Visit our new Chicks Connect website, chicksconnect.com. Do you see the Join Now button right on top? It clicks straight through to the order form. People are so easily distracted in the information world of today. How can you simplify your ordering process? Discuss the results with your chapter. Any big aha moments? Many of my coaching clients provide such amazing value. Free this and complimentary that. But when it comes to asking for the check or making the sale, it becomes challenging. Not because they don't have great programs, products, and services in place, but because they don't have a Buy Now button. People don't know the payment process. It isn't clear, or it simply doesn't exist. Your challenge this week is to make this process so organized and simple that a stranger could go to your website and know exactly how to make a purchase and give you money. Now, the next part is just a little list, and you can add to this list, but organizing my finances to-do list. Create an organized filing system, identify and organize incoming money, identify and organize outgoing money, make it easier for people to purchase from me, and create a list of my financial team of experts and their contact information. Okay, love to all of you. This is a lot of information, and I'm really curious to see how quickly people can find your Buy Now button. So I'd love to know how many seconds it takes to get to yours, and if you're able to decrease that number. So if it takes 60 seconds, try to get it down to 30 seconds. Try to get it down to 5 seconds. Could it be something that they are able to find right away on your website? Okay, best of luck to all of you this week. Have a super wonderful week, and we will talk with you soon. Much love.